Hi everyone. Today, this is Mafi. Please subscribe, share my YouTube channels. Today we're going to talk about user and privilege, Kali Linux, common network command. This also creating and editing files. So let's go jump the videos here. I already opened the terminals. The first one is IPA, which is we see color coded in that beautiful way we can able to see it. The second one is ifconfig. Here ifconfig. So the same, the old one is this, like, which is we see the inet, the IP address, and also net mask, also broadcast here. Here the IPv6 we're gonna see here. So the difference between them, just this one's color coded, and then the other ones, let's clear this control L, IWconfig. That means to see wireless connection, our network. That's as we see, there is no connection with no wireless extension. So we can see the IWconfig to see the wireless connections. The other one, IPN, that stand for neighbors, the IP neighbors, also, which is similar to the ARP-A. So, which is that what IP address associated with what MAC addresses. So, the other one, this is important to IPR. R stand for route. Also, we can able to see the IP route. Also, we can use the route command to see the IP tables, which is, this is very important. I'm telling you, route tables, add route, remove route, display route is the very important, tremendous amount, a lot of informations. Anyways, this is so cool. And okay, and then the other ones like ping, which is the ICMP traffic. So which is ping, which is talking to the machine is still alive. We can ping the IP address or the site where we want. See, we can ping google.com. So just continuously is going to be ping. So to stop, control OCTR plus C, it can be a stop. Also we can use only one time ping. We can use the C, which is stand for count, and then we add the number of the ping we want, and then we can use the ping command. All right, let's dive to the password. That's very important one. Let's clear this, which is password is PSSWD. So to change the password, like they're asking us the current password, which is so okay, which is right now. I don't have to be change the password. So just like, yep. So yeah, either. So yeah, to change the password it's so easy. That the password and then change your password. Also add users. We back for before that LA. We have to see the very important last the previous video. I was talking about change mode. So we're gonna look that up, how we can able to use the change mode. So when we say LSLA, we can see all the list of the files we had on our systems. They are very important to know, which is any hidden files we can able to see when we use ls-la. So as we see here, let's see, look, we can open one of them. Let's see. let's see the TMP. So ls dash la, yeah, slash TMP. So see, all right, the total we have 68. And then when we see here, and then the groups have right to write, execute, also read, and then also the root users have also on this directory write, read, execute. So we're gonna create a new files, and then we see how we can give a permission. To do that, we're gonna use the echo. Yes, yep. Let's see hello.txt, because this is gonna be here. We have to add it the angles bracket. So now ls la dash la, the new, we can able to see the new ones. Hello.txt, where are you? Here. So here, December 6th, and then everything the times here, also the users. But we have right here, read, and then write. Also the group had only read. So to give this permissions, when we use chmod, so chmod, we're going to use plus, we're going to type plus rwx, and then the file names, we just create hello.txt, right? So let's see. Now see hello.txt. Now the root user have right to read this file, write, also execute, and then write. So only the group have right to execute and then read this file. Read this file to give them all permissions. While we doing this, we use again chmod. We do 777, which is default way. We're gonna give them access. So we're gonna type the file names hello.txt. So what we say here, LSLA California, no. So here, so now, yeah, we give them for the root user. They're also the groups. We give them access, which is chmod. This is very important. Also, LSLA is very important. What hidden files in our systems we can able to see clearly as a pen tester. This is very important. So let's clear this, and then the next we going to add user. So to add user, we're gonna use just sudo add, no, add user. So which is then let's see, add user. Okay, John. So okay, password for asking me. Okay, so okay, we're gonna create password for John. So full name asking us, and then room number, work phone, and then home phone number, and the others. All information is correct. Are you sure you're gonna say yes? Yeah, yes, we are. Now we add other users. Name is Johnny. Let's see, switch Johnny here. So SU John, Mr. John. So password for yeah, I think password for yeah, I think the root user password. I'll say that. Ooh, Johnny, what's going on, man? Okay, yeah, okay. Now, yeah, the John password and asking me, and just give them the root user password, which is there. So here's Johnny here, and then we're gonna see something here. Now we add users. That user, if you we're gonna see the user is a root user. So let's see the passwords for us. Like, let's see password. Oh yeah. So we can able to see here the new ones, Johnny here. So also make sure the top of the root is there. Okay, good. So let's see if John's root users, we can able to get the hash of those password. So to get that hash, the cat etc shadow. Okay, booyah. So permission denied. So now what we understand here, John is a local user, is local, John is local. So John is not pseudo user. So to see those password hashes, which is very important as the pen tester, to get those passwords to crack that hash. So we have to switch the pseudo users, which is Mr. Murphy. So I think asking me the root user password, hopefully. Yes, we're back to the Mr. Murphy. We can say pwd where we are at root Murphy. Also we can do sudo, so we can change them on the root users. So here already change it. So let's see cat etc etc. So okay, shadow to get their hash. Oh, here perfectly. So this is the hash on the Johns. So we can see the password, but like we can't get the hashes. So which is John is unfortunately John is not the root users. So which is what we learned here, how we added the users basically. So we can give them permission to add the pseudo user. Actually, I don't know, Kali sometimes get me confused. So okay, let's clean this. So let's clean this. I have a backup sound. My baby, she said da 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 da. Okay, so also the very important ones, great. Like when we do the scriptings, and then to take on there what information exactly what we want. The grapes is like very important, very important. So we're gonna look it up. Okay, suitors, suitors. Yes, I think suitors. Yeah, yeah. Okay, hostile and specifications, root old. So let's see, let's see. Great. Sudo, and then we say it's a group. Now we're gonna cut it out only the pseudo groups. See, we have 27. So which is the grep command? Just cut it out anything what you ask for it, which is really cool, especially when we do scripting. Yeah, that little bad stuff, right? So cool or bad stuff. Okay, let's clean this. The next what we do here, creating and editing files. I'm telling you that are very important to understand at the Kali users. So earlier, as we talk about it, how we gonna create a file equals is the coolest one. Equal hello hi is a lot. So hi everyone. Hi, hello everyone. Actually, hello. Are you doing great? And then hide that text. So now we create hide that. Let's see the list what we have here. We had here hide that text. To get that, to print that, what we use now, important, the cat hide that text, hide that txt. So hi everyone is displayed. So what which is basically when we gather informations when we do pen testing. So which collect different type of information, different type of IP addresses, all kind of stuff. So and then once we create that text, like all text, they can be the same. So we have to override and like we go separate that text. So what we do here, let's say we're gonna do it again. Hi everyone's, and then let's say it's it's me again. Again, when I type again, I'm just added e, so like pronounce like again. Hello everyone, again we are here. So what we doing here, this is we're gonna add the angle bracket, like we're gonna do doubles. So what we doing here, we can split or separate that text. So we're gonna cut again to display that text. See the first one we create. Now see, as we see our text, how everyone, like this one line, it's me again. So this is the first one. Hi everyone. Hi everyone, it's me again, which is what we added like here. First when we created one, this the single angle bracket, vertical angle bracket, or diamond angle bracket, or whatever I call it. Like so we're gonna put double here. That's why we can able to override it. We don't have to put together our texts. Okay, so and then there also another way to create a files touch. So by the way, to remove these files, let's see, you don't need this, is for education purpose. So txt remove ls, yeah, it's not anymore, it's gone, it's gone, badly gone actually, tremendous amount gone. So okay, touch, touch, touches, okay, let's see, touchdown. So touch other way to create a file, touch hide that text, txt. So now we create the files. So cat hide that txt. So we don't have anything. So earlier we just equal, and then we're gonna add the text. We're gonna add the text. So which is when we gather informations, but it's really good to use also that equal. So in this cases here, we just create files, a file that are empty. So how we're gonna write that file? We're gonna use nano, which is that a text editor. So nano here, nano here. Okay, nano hi that text background sound. Did you hear that? So here. So now nano everyone, it's me again. Again and again. now. So control X, and then we say Y, and then enter. So cat hide that text. Hey everyone, it's me again and again, which is that another way to create a files. Like when once we create the text files, and then after that we're gonna fill up that file by using because we can use different type of editors. So there are a few editors we can use, like gedit, like that kind of. So we just use for now nano to add it on that file, and then other information or other text. Okay, so uh, also we have the graphical notepad, they call mousepad. So the mousepad, and then hide that txt. So this is a cool one here, so which is here. So let's see, we're right, we're right, this txt again. So I'm gonna save this files, the save, and then close it. So cut, and then hide that text. So now we write this text again. So which is we use the graphical notepad, which is a really cool way. Yeah, the other ones also starting and stopping services. They are also really cool. Let's clean up this, which is let's say Afconfig config. So let's copy to our IP addresses, copy section, and then let's go to the browsers, and then okay, type it here, and then enter. Unable to connect. Firefox can establish connection to the services on this IP address. So what we do it here, so we back to here, we're gonna do let's say a sudo service start, no, service actually Apache 2 start. Is there a start? I'm right? No, start. So here, enter. Now go back to the Firefox here, and then just clean up the HTTPS, and then now enter it. Ooh. Now we just connected the Apache server. So to try to navigate the IP addresses. So did you should replace this file located the var, and then also www, and then HTML index. Make sure that where we have here we can see here I think not all applications. So I think okay. Right. All right. Here, okay, file managers. Let's go to file managers, because here, look at it, read it this, and then we have the located this file, and then which is this thing's very important to know. Sometimes you just write a script and then put into the sky, and then like connected to that machine. That crazy, right? So here also, and then we just follow exactly what we are located to the var. So which is where we are here. Where is here file systems here? Let's see. Yep, var. open bar, so www dot, and then we go, we got HTML, C index HTML. So now we just located this file exactly we see here, right? So where are you? Yeah, see, now we can navigate it, and then you can check it like any malicious stuff on your systems, or you just drop some systems on whatever and just create simple crazy stuff. And then the same way that's the concept. So to know the port 80 HTTP, and then also Apache service running now. Also, to stop the service, just go back to the terminal. Just same thing, sudo service Apache start, and then in this case is stop. So go back to the and then refresh it. Now unable to connect it, so which is really good stuff to start stop any kind of service. Also start SSH, enable to SSH or disable to SSH to run any service. You just once you figure out what service is trying to run it, so you can use sudo system CTL enable on it, also sudo system CTL disable. That's really cool stuff, guys. So let's clean up this. Clean. So okay, other also uh, other also Python. So what we do here, we don't have to be started. Like automatically, we can start. Let's say whatever we have a script, like let's say like Python 3. So dash m http dot server, and then 80. So while we say here, and then the M stand for the modules, and then hypertext protocols, and then the server also, and then this the port like here. Now start connected. It can go back to, now we can refresh it here. So now the directory list for it, so we can able to see it. So you got some kind of concept here. Is that juicy? Yeah. So just to stop, just command control C, and then go back to, and then the browsers, and then unable to connect it. So which is really good. Python is very powerful. So the other things like sudo, the other start, and then stop systems system CTL, I think. Yeah, system CTL, I think, I don't know. Yeah, system, yeah, system, yep, CTL, yep, system CTL. Let's say enable SSH. So now we just synchronize the state of SSH service. So, and then for security purpose, we have to stop there, right? And then just disabled. Yep, disabled SSH. We just stop it. So to run any service, just like I said earlier, to run any service, you know, so just figure out what service you're trying to start it. So we can use the system CTL enable and the disable. So today we're just talking about like about the file creating, file editings, command network commands, and then users and privilege. So the next video, we're gonna talk about other stuff. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe, and then tell me what you think about it. So yeah, let's learn together. Then thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.